Hey, what's up, guys? We're gonna check out a trailer. He wants stickers in his trailer, but he wants us to go there and take measurements so we know how big is the design's gonna be, and we're gonna go check it out. Hopefully, it doesn't rain. It's supposed to be cloudy, but let's hope it doesn't rain. So we're gonna check it out and see what this guy got for us. It turns out that the guy wanted his stickers today, so we're here and we already printed the logos, and he'll be meeting us here in the storage facility. Okay, so this is the trailer we're gonna be working on today, and here's the crew.
Okay.
And here's the stickers. Okay guys, so we're gonna put the bottom part, which is the biggest one, and you gotta be sure to have someone to help you like I do.
Okay, so right now what they're doing, they're just taking the measurements, making sure that it's going to be all straight. That's why we're using the tapes on the edges, because we just want to hold the decal. We're just making sure it's straight from both sides. I think we got it right there. I think now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna put the big tape on top of it, and since it's all letters, what we're going to do, we're gonna divide it into segments. I'll show you what we mean by that. See, that's what we mean. It's way easier to manage once you cut it into like a lot of segments. Will make our job easier. And the good thing about this trailer, it doesn't have any rivets, so we don't have to worry about using the high performance vinyl. This is just regular vinyl. And we're gonna do dry application since the weather is it's not the best right now. Right now it's a little bit cold, so we're gonna go ahead and do that dry application. Just gotta take your time and no pressure. Can be a little intimidating when you're doing that huge decals, but if you got the tools and if you got time, it shouldn't be that hard. Like he mentioned first, it's better to have, well, in this case it's not better, but it's like you have to have a second person helping you, because this is a large decal, so one person will be almost impossible to do. Can be accomplished, but it's not recommended.
Yeah, don't play the tough guy. Always be smart. Try to do this. Take your time, and because it's a big sticker, so you may want to do what we did, like cut it in many segments.
Okay, we got it done. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the tape, the white tape, and then after that we're gonna remove the masking tape. And we'll give you an idea of how it's recommended to take it off. There's like a certain angle that you have to use, which makes it better. So see that angle? He's pulling it downwards. And also don't pull it too hard, because if you do, you may pull the letters off. Sometimes they do come off. Sometimes they come off.
Yeah, like he mentioned,
when it's cold or wet, like raining, it's better to do it dry. Install it dry. No water. We usually use water, but only when it's sunny and hot. But since today is cloudy and kind of cold, so right now the temperature is like 55.
Yeah.
It's not recommended to do it below 60, but it's not too bad. I mean, we've done it before, so
Sometimes you gotta break the rules.
yep. It only has a few bubbles, but should be fine.
We use this, what we call the weeder. You can get this at any Hobby Lobby. That's where we get this, or online, whatever. Okay, so in this case, we forgot the ladder, so we're gonna do it like this. Put a big tape in the middle, and he's gonna cut through the top. So we're gonna go from bottom to top. We usually do it from top to bottom, but since we forgot the ladder, we're gonna do it this way. You got it?
What he's gonna do, he's gonna cut the decal. It's preferable to do it because we don't know, like when it rains, we don't want the water to get inside the decal and start peeling off. So we'll just go ahead and cut it like that.
Okay, after I cut it, so that way when it rains, you won't peel off your sticker. You want to be sure to peel it off from left to the right, because if you start from the right to the left, this part might come off since we cut it. So, and this, I don't know if you can see through this little cut here, trim. You don't want to peel it off. It might come off. Let me show you what I mean. And as you can see, some bubbles there, just no big deal. Like poke a little hole in it, and with your finger you can just, get rid of them. And you want to do it slowly since it's a big solid sticker. Sometimes, it won't stick perfectly, and you gotta be careful. Do it with patience.
So we're almost getting there. We're finishing the last part here. Back, we got the sides and just finishing the back, and we'll be done in a few.